In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear backup lamp in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. You want to remove these two nuts on here. You can use a 10mm socket or a 10mm ratchet wrench. Get right on there. These are pretty rusted, so I'm not going to be able to use that in this situation, but that's what you want to do right there. Because these nuts are so rusted, I'm going to have to grind them down. You shouldn't have to do this, but this is what I'm going to have to do. Once you get those two nuts off, then take this plate, slide that off, and you can access the socket and the connector. Disconnect the connector by using a straight blade screwdriver. Just put it in here, just fold it back slightly, and it slides right out. You can take the socket out, just twist to the left, and it slides right out. And just push the light assembly towards the back of the vehicle, and it slides right out. And just take the lamp assembly. You want to line these studs up with the holes. And we'll put the socket in first, and twist it to the right, and take this cover. Going to go on top and take the nuts and get those started. And we'll snug those down, not too tight. Just snug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.